Delete page on Facebook. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to delete a page on Facebook. First of all, go to your Facebook page. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. So tap on this arrow now to switch into your Facebook page that you want to delete. So select the page in this section. Here is the page now. After you switch into the page that you want to delete, all you have to do now, tap on this menu again. Under this menu, scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy, and tap on this settings under settings and privacy. So now go to page settings. Under page settings now, scroll to down and tap on this section which says access and control, this one. Under access and control now, tap on this section which says deactivation and deletion. Now all you have to do now, select this delete page. After you select this delete page, all you have to do now, tap on this continue. Now as you can see now it will ask you to type in the reason for deleting your Facebook page. You can select one or you can just tap on this continue. Just don't select anyone, tap on this continue. Scroll to down and tap on this delete account button. So now it will ask you now to type in your Facebook account password before you delete your Facebook page, to ensure that it is you who want to delete your Facebook page, not someone who want to delete your Facebook page without your permission. So go ahead and type in your password now. After you type in your password, tap on this continue button. So as you can see now tap on this delete account button. So as you can see now it says your account is scheduled for permanently deleting. So that's it guys on how to delete your Facebook page. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.